MeghalayaPost.news.
Myntri Rangbah ke Jylla ukun rat kisangma menta kakat pratrik menai wing ulalik ban Plie Paidbah ya kawai na kita masa kabalatip ka fourth edition of the Shillong Literary Festival Arjar Apsau mala pelong hapo Nanpolok hanong ba Shillong la penpu penpingru ya kene ka jingpli ya kene kata masa da ka jing don langru kinong thokot bapau baguntup ya ka jaki Colin Shobhade Vikram Seth unong tho novel bat poetry bapau bat ubalayo priangru ya kapat masri bat kiwi ki kusnam kumunong thokot bapau habakaran ha negasngi Myntri Rangbah ka Jylla kurat kisangma uloong baga jingtmu bala pelong yakane ka literary festival kade katong banwanra ikinong thokot baper baru ban iron san yaki hakum kane ka tamasa halor ka jingdon sap kerpang hakikam thokot nadu ki novel ki poetry bat kiwi
Every year, as you're just sitting here, it's such a magical setting and it's a privilege, and I'm sure everyone is feeling that energy and the privilege.
Who shows exceptional commitment and vision, or everything that he announced today is so inspiring. Because honestly, for me, when I was invited by Malavika to come to Shillong, my husband and I jumped at it because we've been here just once before, a long time ago. And the time of the year is gorgeous. And like Vikram rightly said, it's the Kyoto of the West and certainly not the Scotland of the East. What a beautiful way to put it. That was number one, to visit the state. But also, on a very personal note, it was to spend time with Vikram. He is so elusive. We barely get to connect, but when we do, it is always magic. And it's just pure joy talking to someone as erudite, he just has poetry in every fiber of his being, and what he says with a sense of humor and a smile which is naughty at the same time provocative. I'm sure students here are delighted to get the chance, Vikram, to listen to you later today.
Or any other place. The lilt of the harp and the flute, as we've heard, the lapping of waters as one rides in a boat or as one swims, as I did yesterday in the Krang Shui Falls, or the lilt of Khasi, give one a really wonderful atmosphere of the place, and it's been wonderful to be here, even though so far for a very short time.
Who have come here today, whether we have writers from the national level, Shri Vikram Seth ji, Madam Shobha De, Mr. Jerry Pinto, or whether it is our own writers who are here, writers like K.S. Nonkandre, and all the other writers.
MeghalayaPost.news.